because of famine or disease, but because all of the men decided to abstain, just like Gebrüling. Therefore, they developed blue balls.
I'm gonna head over to Point Defiance because I'm gonna meet Mason because he's taking out the boat today and we're going to this island for this hike. I got the drone. It's gonna be super fun. Ahoy there, Captain! What a perfect day for a boat ride. Where are we going today, Mason?
James Island State Park.
How far is that? Where is that?
North of Vashon Island, looking at Seattle. Small island that's a state park, the entire thing. There's a campground and hiking trails. It's gonna be fun.
Oh, yes! Let's go! Organic fuel?
Ethanol free. It's the way you need to go on a marine motor.
Nice. Here we are at the gas station. Here's Owens Beach from the other side. Hello! Hey peeps, how's it going? Land ho! Are we stopping for a bite?
Yeah, we're in this river right now. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna park this thing.
Nice driving, Mason.
Thanks. Never expected to have to do this, but it worked out well.
All right, here at Al's. Got your turkey sandwich there?
We got a sandwich. Now we get some drone shots and go on a hike.
Let's do it. All right, we are live. Let's do this, Mason. Ready, Captain? Woo. Sorry, little buddy. I charged the battery this morning and I realized that the power strip wasn't even on, so you never really want to risk flying over water on a half-filled battery in the middle of the ocean. Onward and upward, Mason.
Dope shots no matter what.
Dope shots no matter what. We got like 2, so I'm happy with that. We got Layla right now. We got some splash going on. Whoa! That was close one. Columbia Tower. We got Mount Rainier to our right, and here's our destination. How you feel?
Accomplished. Well, almost. We still have to land the boat.
Mine. Land ho.
That's why I love it, because it's such a beautiful, unique.
The little characters got balls. Nice set.
Alright, we have arrived. Blake Island. That was quite an introduction from our new friend.
It's like, well, that's interesting. Okay, we'll have a good day. Oh, no? Okay. Okay, All right, well, have a good day. No? Okay. Oh, wow, that's interesting. Well, I will see you later.
Da 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 da. This place is beautiful. There is nobody here.
Hope for a snow frost on the window pane. Branches cut into clear blue sky and the wind carries your name. Run, river, run to the sea. Water always wants to be free. Light a fire, keep the night at bay and the wolves from the door. Watch those words rise with the smoke and shadows dance on the floor. Run, river, run.
Look, a der.
There they are.
There they are.
Always wants to be free. Run, river, run over me.
So this is Blake Island, ladies and gentlemen. A hidden gem here in the Pacific Northwest.
Oh, to take away my memory.
This is a pretty shitty view, huh? Making our way back to the boat right now. And this just looks like some made up wonderland. So even though I have so much shit to do in the editing bay, it's good to take time and plug back into nature and not burn out. Because when you don't, that's how you burn out. I feel like out of all my friends, you enjoy nature the most. What does it do for you?
I could come up with a lot of words. Rejuvenating, relaxing, soul nourishing. It's just cool.
Good words. Wise words. Would you say nature's like a beautiful woman? Like a beautiful woman, Mason?
You just can't get enough. Just can't get away, just can't look away.
Water always wants to be free. Run, river, run over me. Oh, to take
The thing about nature is that every part of it reminds us of ourselves. Like this plant, it wants to spread its seed far and wide. I can relate to that.
And we're off. Goodbye, Blake Island. Thanks for the beautiful times. We'll be back. That, my friends, is how you do the sound.
Talk about a dreamboat.
Talk about a dreamboat. Thank you again, Mason. That was so nice. So nice. Real brotherly bonding there. Love you, Mason. See you soon, bro. Oh man, what an incredible journey today. I just feel very fulfilled from hanging out with Mason and just spending some time in nature. You know, it's like really important to have that work-life-play balance. And I made it in time for yoga too. So I'm gonna go practice. I'm gonna bring this vlog to a close because it was a very full day indeed. Remember, friends, to not overwork yourself and to spend a lot of time enjoying, because that's what you're supposed to do in this life. I love you guys a lot. Thanks for all the... I noticed my channel has been growing exponentially. It's crazy. Welcome to all the new peeps. Thanks for coming here to hang out. Hopefully I can continue delivering value and you guys enjoy the ride with me. I think all the new subscribers are from the tantric sex video because it just hit 207,000 views or something, which blows my mind because we're all organic and I guess it's trending. It's been trending since I posted it back in the teacher training. So thank you guys. Consider subscribing if you're not already. If you guys want to get all the updates and stuff, hit the little notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I post a video. Love you long time. See you soon. Mwah.
keep on hanging on.